Welcome. If you want to open background applications in your Huawei P30 Pro, after the new update you can do this in the two ways. So the first one is of course to drag from the bottom of the screen, like that. And here we are in the background apps. But also we can make the gesture, just swipe from the left edge of our smartphone in the bottom. And as you can see right now we are here. And if you want to switch between the apps, you don't have to drag it right like that, like it was before. You can also, right? But there is the faster way, and you can just do like that. As you can see, it's more faster, and it looks like more smoother, right? So I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.